Let me show you how to import your OpenSea NFT in the MetaMask. So you can, as you can see, I am on that Polygon network. There are many networks, but the one which all my NFT belongs is in Polygon. So let's click import NFT, and you will see two options. One is to enter the address and the ID. So let's see where to get this information. Yeah. So let's open OpenSea. We go to the profile. Let's see, I want to import this particular NFT. I'll copy the link and I will open it in the browser. So I have already opened that in the browser. Let's go to the details and we click on the contract and we copy that contract ID. So this contract address is basically our address. We will just paste it here. Now where to get the ID? So we go back, just click on the just tap on the token ID, and that is your ID. Let's click import, and in a few moments you will be able to see the NFT. Let's open. Okay, so I can see all the details of my NFT here. If you want to remove the NFT, just hold and remove it. So that's how simple it is to bring the NFT, or basically show your NFT in your MetaMask.